I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Kadence Blocks Form. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select Freshsales. Give your account URL and API token. So go to your Freshsales site and go to API setting. After Google verification, copy the API key and account URL and paste those in the integration. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a module. Select a account view. Select a account. Now map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. So go to your Freshsales site and refresh the page. Here you can see the data came successfully in the Freshsales. Thanks for watching.